Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are all fine. I am your computer teacher Shahbazali. Today we will discuss how to text formatting, how to write a paragraph in a web page, how to break a line. If you want to write a paragraph, we will use the P tag. P tag means paragraph tag and the opening tag, and you can see also we have a closing tag. And inside these tag we will write our content, and this content is shown on our computer screen. Second is line insert line break. If you want to insert a break line, if you want to break a line, if you want to move forward to our next line, we use BR tag. BR tag means break the line. Now this is a singular tag and we do not need to close this tag. Here you can see we have example. This is the paragraph. We'll write here break. Now our line is break into two lines. Second is insert spaces. If you want to insert a space, we do not use the space bar, because if we use a space bar, the computers or the HTML language ignore this. Here you can see I will apply the multiple spaces. I think 5 spaces I applied. Now you can see there is no space in the output. Now if you want to apply a space, we use the AND operator and symbol AND, B and space. If you want to multiple space, we will write this word multiple times. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here we have 9 spaces. Now we will close these tags and our content is between these tags. Our last topic is add heading and subheading. If you want to add heading, we use a heading tag, and here we have 6 different headings, 6 different size of headings. Our activity is 5.2. In our file pakistan.html, I think you have to create this page. In our previous lecture, I will give you work. Create a first level heading Pakistan inside this heading and write a paragraph about the Pakistan. Now student, we are going to do the practical of this. So for the practical you need an editor. So you can use any editor. In the previous lecture I will told you use the window by default text document. Here I am using the VS Code software for writing, but you can also use the notepad. Here we have a demo output. So firstly we are going to writing a paragraph. If you want to write a paragraph, we will use the paragraph tag. As you know that opening tag, closing tag, and the content between these tag I am writing here. This is a paragraph. Now here I am saving and click here on the web page, then press F5. Here you can see here this is a paragraph on your computer screen. Because all the content we will write our paragraph tag, only content is shown our computer screen. You can see here only this is a paragraph is displaying on our web page. For example, if you want to insert a break line, we use the break tag. I just press BR and then press OK. You can see here I am writing BR and then break opening and break closing. Here I am saving and refresh the page. You can see here this is in one line and a paragraph is on another line. This is a method how to break a line. Now next is how to insert a spaces. I am removing this break line. For example, I want to insert a multiple spaces in our text. Now what we will do? We write simple spaces. No, if you write multiple spaces, the spaces ignore from HTML. You can see here. Here I am saving this page and now refresh this page. You can see here there is no space. For example, if you want to insert a space, we will use this word. Here I am writing and B S P. Here this is a word, so you can see here I am saving this page or refresh this page. Now I am applying this multiple times. I am writing this statement multiple times. You can see here I write this word how many times the spaces are included. I am saving this page. Now I am refreshing this page. You can see here we have multiple spaces here. Simple. If you want to insert a space, we use this word. This means S and NP space. I hope you understand. Now if you want to add a heading, we use heading tag. Now here I am writing the Pakistan. Now I am saving this page. This is a heading 1. In the HTML language we have 6 different type of heading. Now I am saving this. I am refreshing this page. You can see here Pakistan is writing. Now again I am writing the space heading 2. Then press enter. I am writing for Pakistan again. Now I am saving this and refreshing this. You can see this is the greater in size and this is the less in size. This is a type of heading. Same, we also use the 6 different type of heading. I am again writing a Pakistan. Again writing a Pakistan. Again writing a Pakistan. And again writing a Pakistan. Here we have 6 headings are completed. Now H6 and press enter, writing a Pakistan. So I am saving this or I am refreshing this page. You can see here we have 6 different type of heading. Identify the text formatting tags. So students, in the text formatting we will decide what is the style of my text, what is the size and what is the color of my text. All these things to performing we will use with the help of font tags. Now we will apply the font tags, opening tag and then closing tags, and then write the content between them. For example, these are the attributes: size, color and the styles are basically the attributes that we will assign to our text. Here we have snippet, code snippet. Here you can see we have font tag opening. This is the opening tag till the end, and this is the closing tag, and between these we have a text. Similarly, here we apply the attribute size. Here you can see size 5, color blue and the content, and this is the forward slash with the close. Now face means what is the style of my text. So what are basically name of the styling text. Now students, here we have important note. Students, we will use the US English, not the British English. I have an example. You can see on your screen we have a color. This is a US English. Now instead of color, this is a British English. So the HTML understand the US language. And second point is the font tag is basically deprecated means end in the HTML5 is a version, latest version, and HTML upcoming versions the font tags are basically ended. Now if you want to bold, italic or underline our text, we will use these tags. This is a B means bold tag, I mean italic tag, U mean underline tag. Here we have code snippet. Now students, let's move forward our practical. So first of all, open your text editor. Here I have text editor. Now students, here I am removing all these texts. So firstly you have to select this, then press the delete button. Here I am saving this, Ctrl S, and then refresh it from the F5. Here we have a blank page. Now I am writing some text here. Here you can see we have a text. Firstly we are writing a paragraph. We use the paragraph tag, and in the paragraph we have content font tag, and between these tags we will write our content. This is some text exclamation mark, and then save this and then refresh this. Here you can see this is our some text, but its color is not changed. The reason is that we do not apply here attribute. Now I am applying here attribute, so color is equal to, and then double quotations will write red. Here I am saving this, and here I am refreshing this page. Here you can see, our text color is changed. Our text color is changed. Yes, students. Now we are removing the text size also. Here I am copying this and then paste here. Now we change the color. I am applying another attribute, that means size of the attribute is equal to sign and then double quotation mark. Here I am applying the size 5. Now I am saving this and refreshing. I am also changing the color. Here I am changing the color blue, BLUE blue, and then save this, refresh this page. Yes, you can see size increase and color is also changed. Yes, good. Students, you also have to perform this practical on your computer. Now here I am changing the style of our text. Now we will use the face is equal to double quotations over Dana, then saving this and then refreshing this page. Here you can see the text style is changed. Here I am changing the color. Here I am writing the color black. BLACK black. Then save this and then refresh this page, F5. Here you can see change. Here size is change. Here now we also bold or underline our text. I am writing another paragraph with the help of paragraph tag, opening and closing tag. Here I am applying the bold. Here you write the text, this text is bold. Then save this and refresh this page. Here you can see text is a little bit bold. Now we are also do the italic the text. Here I am just writing the text italic. First we will write the paragraph tag, then italic mean I, then press, then here I am writing this text is italic, then save this and refresh this page. Yes, text is in the italic form. Now last is now we will write another paragraph and then we are applying the underline tag. We will write as it is, this is an underline tag. Will use the underline tag, and here I am writing underline text. I am saving this page and refreshing this. Here you can see the underline text is, you can see that this word is only underlined. So students, this is our today lecture. I hope you understand well. If you have any questions, you can ask me. So take care. Allah Hafiz.